Subscribe to our channel. VPM helps you start and run your remote business. You're here because you opened your LLC. Congratulations! And now, the next step is opening a business bank account. But there's a problem. What's the problem? Opening a business bank account may have sounded simple, but the challenge is that the US federal banking regulations require all bank accounts to list a physical address.
Either a home address, commercial office, or an address attached to a tangible building for verification purposes.
Modern-day financial institutions have a strict set of criteria when verifying potential customers, and you have Know Your Customer regulations to thank for that. These standards help ensure that banks are not being taken advantage of, prevent money laundering, and other common fraud schemes.
KYC requires that you provide 2 mandatory documents with each application to a U.S. bank: proof of identity with a photograph and proof of address.
Because of this requirement, it's often difficult for online or international businesses to set up banking and payment processing here in the US.
Now let's explore what you need to open a business bank account.
Requirements to open a business bank account will vary depending on the financial institution and type of business bank account. However, almost all banks will require proof of address in order to open your first account.
In general, here's what you're going to need to open your business bank account: a government-issued ID. It can be a driver's license, passport, or state-issued ID. Your employee identification number, or EIN. Social security number, SSN. Your LLC's articles of organization, incorporation. Your LLC's operating agreement, and proof of address.
Okay, so I know I keep saying proof of address. What is it exactly? Proof of address requires you to provide your bank with a specific type of document, verifying your physical address matches your stated address.
Here are a few examples of items that you can use for proof of address: property tax bill, insurance policy. This can be your homeowners, renters, or life insurance. Voter registration card, bank statement, utility bill. This can be water, gas, power, or internet. Lease agreement or mortgage statement.
The most common documents for proof of address are lease or mortgage statements and utility bills. How do you get this?
Let's start with choosing the right address.
In order to verify your identity when opening a business bank account, you'll be required to provide a physical address and mailing address. If the bank does not have a proper physical address for your business after 30 days, they can choose to close or suspend your account.
You cannot use a P.O. box, virtual office, registered agent, virtual mailbox, or other mailbox rental address as your physical address.
Banks will sweep their databases to verify that the physical addresses are real physical addresses. As mentioned earlier, this is done to verify that your physical address complies with federal banking regulations in order to open and maintain a U.S. business bank account. So, what you have left is a home address or a commercial office you have to rent. But if those aren't viable, what else can you use? Is there anything out there?
Yes, there is. Have you heard of TruLease? VPM partners with commercial building owners to lease you an office space. When you sign up for TruLease, you'll get a physical address along with a lease agreement and a separate mailing address that comes with virtual mailbox services. Let's cover some benefits of TruLease.
TruLease provides you with a professional business address that is a true physical space. Other major perks of the service include
the ability to choose your location.
Get a leased address in Florida, Delaware, or California.
30-day money-back guarantee.
In the event you're not able to open a bank account, you'll receive a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can see the full cancellation conditions and policy on our website.
Phone or in-person verification of your physical address.
If a bank, payment processing, or any other financial institution representative were to request an on-site visit or call to verify your business address, VPM's customer support team will assist in getting this scheduled with a business owner to confirm your lease space.
The biggest benefit of all is that TruLease comes bundled with 2 addresses, a leased address and a mailbox address.
The lease address is to be used in places where proof of physical business address is needed, like your business bank account. You can use this address for sending and receiving mail, communication with customers, and documentation. And there you have it. Use TruLease to open a U.S. business bank account. Get started today. Before you go, don't forget to check out all related videos and articles from our channel. And if you have any questions or things you want to know, leave a comment in this video. Learn more.